Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rovelli. I'm 38 years old and I'm from Philippines. I have been working here in Hong Kong for almost 8 years now. My duties are taking care of children, housework like cleaning, cooking, ironing, go to market. I also take care pets like dogs and turtles. I also do car washing. Madam and sir, if you have kids, I also know how to teach them on their homeworks. And I also play with them, take them to the park. I also send them school and pick up them from school. Madam and sir, please consider my application to hire me. I will do all my duties with all my heart. Thank you and God bless.